Yesterday, festivities transpired once again in Mutalo, this time to mark a milestone in the Mutalo Ecclesia's history with the establishment of a new community hall. This addition comes quite timely as the community hoped to utilize it when hosting church groups, where in the past the pastor's residence was used. With this new hall, that will be a thing of the past. The project that has been in the pipeline for a number of years was finally realized with work starting on the building last year. A shortage of manpower within the village means a team of contractors were sourced to complete the development of the hall, which is attached to the church. The building is the outcome of years of fundraising by the local community and also from the Mutalo community members living abroad. There were speeches from the Ecclesia Mutalo members, some of the overseas groups that made the special trip for the opening. This was followed by a huge feast and also wrapped up with some songs and dances from a variety of groups. The Mutalo community would like to thank all those who contributed to making the day a success.